Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 55 Chevy Belair and this is by Hot Wheels. So let's unbox and see how it looks. Okay, so here it is. Okay, this red looks really beautiful. It's like a shimmering red. The rims are really nice. Here is the bottom view. Here is the closer look of the interior. Hope you guys can able to see it. This looks really beautiful. Okay, the lights are actually painted. It's not a fiber or some kind of glass. So even in the back side, if you can see, there is not even a paint here. But it still looks beautiful. Okay guys, so that's it for today. So if you like my video, hit a thumbs up. If you love my video, subscribe. Thank you guys, thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.